Father, Son, and Spirit, three in perfect glory, crowned with endless praise and robes without a stain.
Holy, 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 angels bow before Him, casting down their crowns upon the crystal sea. Voices rise in thunder, all the heavens tremble, worshiping the Lamb who died to set us free.
Holy, 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 earth and sky adore Him. From the morning sun to stars that light the deep, nature sings His wonders, saints declare His mercy. None can ever measure love so vast and sweet.
Holy, 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 pure beyond all measure, glorious in justice, infinite in grace. Lift our eyes in wonder to the King eternal. Let all hearts prepare Him now a dwelling place.
Holy, 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 ever shall we praise Him. Every tribe and tongue before the risen Son. Father, Son, and Spirit, blessed three forever, one eternal God in majesty as one.